My name is Amit Kapoor, and I'm President and CEO of First Line Technology. We focus on emergency preparedness and preparing our first responders, military, domestically, internationally, for the worst of the worst kind of events or disasters that may occur. Over the past couple years, we've taken products that are out of research labs and made them into life-saving products. First Line has 4 distinct product lines. The Ambubus is such a unique product. What we're bringing to our customers, public health, hospitals, emergency response, is a kit that you can put into a bus and convert any kind of school bus or transit bus into a mass casualty ambulance that can handle 6, 12, or 18 patients. From decontamination for the opioid response that's currently going on, we make a cleaner that will neutralize fentanyl, carfentanil, and dangerous threats that our first responders face when they're responding to their patients. Then we have a cooling products, Phase Core. It's a cooling jacket you can put on. It absorbs heat from your body, causes cooling to occur, so fire departments, law enforcement utilize that. Our 4th product line encompasses, we call it MedNext, and that's Medical Next. We look at next generation medical devices and medical equipment and bring it in-house and transform it into end products for our end users. First Line has a unique set of employees who have been warfighters or who have been first responders. That unique perspective gives them the ability to really challenge the innovation that's out there. Our innovation comes from our partners. Our partners are government labs to university labs. We take the innovation that they've brought to the table and might not be ready for commercialization, and we'll combine technologies together to truly create that innovation to bring to the warfighter and first responder. Fairfax County is such a great place, and I know this best. I grew up here since elementary school. We are close to the federal government. We're close to all of our intelligence customers. We're close to all of our customers who deal with the first response. We're located in Chantilly, right outside of Dulles Airport's runway. So if there is a natural disaster or emergency anywhere in the world, we have the ability to quickly react, take the equipment to the airport, and deploy out.